That's the main reason for this road. This one, I've never taken it. I want to someday.
Oh, yeah.
It takes you right down to the Elbow River, right on the other side of where Elbow Falls is.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. So.
That'd be a good ride, too.
Yeah, I don't know what the trail is like. It's not that far. It's probably only a couple kilometers. I don't know. You want to go venture down there?
We could take a little bit of a look
and see if
it gets too shitty.
Yeah, if it gets too bad. Yeah, let's go have a look if you want.
Sure, yeah.
It looks okay from here, but it might get a little different down there further. How's it going? Speed is good?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's awesome, yeah.
I don't go any faster than that.
Oh, okay, cool.
No? Okay. Now, if you're spinning out here, let's do the gravity thing. If you let it go backwards, how about we'll turn it this way, and then we'll get you back out that way. Okay? I won't let it fall.
Okay. I just got to put it in neutral here.
Okay, you should be able to turn now. Okay, forward.
Go back on the side.
Yeah. There. Got it?
Yep. Awesome, thanks.
Okay.
I was waiting here.
I'll come back down. Coming down is a bitch.
Yeah, I bet.
Actually,
Should I just get out of the way?
no, I'll be alright. Actually, walking up that hill is a bitch.
That's a bit of a sketchy one coming down, eh?
Yeah. Actually, once you get up there, it's more like this stuff, but I wouldn't want you to come down that, because all it takes is one.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't want you to get hurt. Hey, so we'll go back and we'll turn to go up to the other side of this mountain here.